So in this problem, we are given three positive real numbers a, b, and c. Then we need to show that a over b plus b over c plus c over a is greater than or equal to any one of the following values. So let us begin. Now clearly, this is a problem involving AM and GM. So we know for a fact that the AM of any numbers, arithmetic mean, that's always greater than the geometric mean. So we will choose our number in such a way, we're given that a, b, and c are positive. So we'll choose three numbers. So let those three numbers be a over b, b over c, and the next one will be c over a. So they're in a particular sequence such that if we take the AM of those three numbers, AM of these particular three numbers, which is a over b, comma b over c, and c over a, so that will be given by, so all you have to do is take the sum of the three numbers, a over b plus b over c plus c over a, and divide by 3. And if we want to find out the GM of these three numbers, so GM of a over b, comma b over c, and c over a, that simply equals to, we'll take the product of each of the numbers. So we have a over b times b over c times c over a, and then we'll have to take the cube root. Now clearly a over b times b over c times c over a, that's going to be 1. So cube root of 1 is also going to be 1. We're going to consider a positive value. Now we can use the fact that AM is greater than or equals to GM. So we have a over b plus b over c plus c over a divided by 3. That's the arithmetic mean of these three numbers. So that's greater than or equals to the geometric mean, which is simply 1. Now what we can do, we can multiply both sides with 3. So we get finally a over b plus b over c plus c over a. So that's going to be greater than or equals to 3, which means option A is the correct answer.